Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about delivering a Wix website to a client and transferring ownership. Now, this can all be done through our dashboard, like a lot of other things on Wix. And over in the top right corner, you'll see Edit Site and then these three dots, Site Actions. We need to click on Site Actions. After we click on Site Actions, you'll see right here, Transfer Site. All you need to transfer the site is the website or the email address of the new owner. So obviously we're not going to transfer my site right now, but we'll just plug something in so we can let them know what would you describe them as, a client, an agency, just to let Wix know what you're doing. Press continue. It'll give you some more options to keep my role as a co-owner of the site after the transfer or create a copy of the site. You can continue there. And then finally, you'll confirm to understand that you're transferring the site, including all the site data and media. And I will not click transfer ownership because I do not want to do that. But that is how you transfer your site to a client on Wix.com.